We bring process automation to the healthcare sector. We develop technology to automate administrative processes and clinical processes within the healthcare sector to benefit the hospitals and improve clinical decision making. We were founded about 6 years ago with just one person. Today we have over 70 staff worldwide. We have multiple subsidiary organisations, and with the click of a button I can see the chart of accounts for the group, I can see chart of accounts for the UK, for our Abu Dhabi office, for our Australian office, without any real effort whatsoever. We have doubled in size every year for the past 5 years, and if we're going to do that for the next 5 years, access to information to allow us to make really critical decisions in a fully informed basis is really important. We can do that now because we have Dynamics NAV 2013. We have investment decisions that we have to make in both R&D and also where our sales and marketing budget goes. And now we have the information to make those decisions quite rapidly. Profitability by product, for example, is very important. We can see a growth trend month by month on a product by product basis. In Ireland, we have to file our P30 employee returns once a month. In the UK it's P32, and in other territories it's different filings. And of course all of these filings have very strict time limits. With Dynamics NAV we can automate the financial processes, and that takes out a huge amount of manual effort. I want people focusing on their core job and not have them tied up in a lot of administration, filling out timesheets that need to be emailed around.
You just select from your drop down, you pick the company that you're billing, and you can put in the times there straight away. There's a huge difference in the time that was being spent before trying to do a manual process of Excel files and emails compared to having it all there in front of you.
One of the big benefits we have seen with the NAV implementation was how quickly people got up to speed with using the system.
It's very easy to use and it's very easy to set up, and you can set the system up exactly the way you want it to do exactly what you want very easily. You can do a lot on one screen, so it means I can get my information into my accounts very quickly.
Being able to report in different currencies is good because we can do our reconciliations at the end of the year then in terms of currency movements. What we previously were doing is every month we were converting into euro, and this would cause a problem at the end of the year because we had to reconcile all these currency changes, whereas now, because it runs in different currencies for different clients and for different territories, that's all handled within NAV as well quite seamlessly. With the rapid start functionality of NAV 2013, I was very pleasantly surprised with how easy it was. When you look through the list, it seemed, oh, this will take a long time, but because of the usability of the system, it actually went far smoother than we ever expected. One of the reasons we selected Ciall to implement is because of their experience with NAV. Not only do they have the technical capability, but their principals are chartered accountants. They understand all the nuances within business. They run their own business themselves. They use NAV themselves. And that gives a lot of comfort for me. So I couldn't praise them enough. I thought they were incredible to work with.
By investing in NAV, it gives Sláinte the comfort that their platform on which they run their business will be leading edge. And there will be integration from the desktop with like Word and Excel and OneNote all the way through to the back end with SharePoint and SQL. NAV is the right product for Sláinte, and as they go into additional territories or where their functional requirements change, it'll meet their requirements.
One of the big risks of a company growing as quickly as we are is that you grow too quickly, you don't understand your cost base. That's not going to happen now we have NAV. I think the future is very bright.